Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. Problem number 147. How to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a square pyramid of 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant edges. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So to do that, first we'll go for the final solution here. So this is the one which I need to do. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen and switch on the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So the command is limits. So lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the cursor to the right side, take the distance as 297, select the cursor to the top side, take the distance as 210, and then you take the cursor to the left side and type 297 and then close it. Then go to zoom extends, zoom 0.6x. Then now you just go to layer. Since we want to have the locus line also, so we need to create the layer by name locus. So type XY, enter, click on new, type the layer by name axis, enter, click on new, type the layer by name locus, then click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden, enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. Once you do that, layer 0 line weight is 0.05 and say OK. Layer XY is 0.13 and say OK. The axis line is 0.05. Then the locus line is also 0.05. And then go to front view is 0.5. And the top view should be of again 0.5. And then say OK. And the front view hidden should be of 0.3. And the top view hidden should also be of 0.3 now. Now you just click on the hidden line type of top view, click on load the library files first. So you bring that here, type center. So here click on load, type center C and say OK. Then go to load, type hidden H and then OK. Click on load, type dash dot and say OK. So now I want the top view hidden. You just click on hidden and say OK. And here front view hidden should also have the hidden line type. Then we have locus line. It should be dash dot and say OK. And the axis line will be having center line. Then say OK. Then the axis line will going to have magenta color. Then the front view will going to have red color. OK. And the front view hidden will also have red color. OK. And the top view will going to have blue and say OK. And the top view hidden should also have blue color and say OK and then say close. Now we need to draw this polygon of 35 at an angle of 45 degree. So then just go to polygon and the number of sides is 4. Take the edge option, select some arbitrary point at the rate 35 less than 45. Then go to line, take intersection part of these two. To intersection part of this, then go to line, take int of this and take int of this one. So once you get this, so here we need to take the height as 60. So first you change this, go to ch. So you just go to layer, change that layer to top view. Once you do that, then go to line weight display on, then go to line, select this and go to offset, take the distance as 60. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then intersection part of this and then int of this. Then go to fillet between these two, then fillet between these two, and then go to erase this line. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then you just select on these two, select this line, go to layer, make it as front view. Now what we need to do is we need to copy this position to the second position. So to do that, then go to copy, select this and copy this here, then go to rotate, select this entire thing and base point int of this and take the reference, take int of this and take this int, rotate it, make it horizontal, then go to move, select this entire thing, move it nearer to the screen, then go to line, take int of this and then int of this and then int of this. Now then just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to trim, select this and trim as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim, then go to line, select this and then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take intersection of these two and then draw perpendicular to these two, then go to fillet between these two. Now then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and say close, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and then intersection of this, then go to zoom window, you select this, then go to break this line, first point, take int of this and you make it, then you break this line, first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you just go to this and change this. Now you just select all these exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and surface near to the observer is visible, so obviously this will also become visible. So then you are going to get to top view and then you just click on this and go to layer, make the top view hidden and then you just increase this to 10. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing. Then go to line, take int of this and go to intersection part of this, then go to line int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw this here on this side. So once you do that, so here you just click on this and make this layer as 15. So now here you have this, then go to zoom window, bring it nearer, then you just go to line, take nearest point on this. So here you have to have the beta inclination, so here at the rate 100 less than minus 135. So once you do that, then we go to DDIM, then you go to modify, select the primary units as 2, go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, center is above, take this dimension as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, lines and offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Then we need to go for this height which is 60 mm. So to do that, go to circle, take nearest point on this and take the radius 60 and then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, then go to break this circle here and you break the circle on this side and then go to erase this, then go to fillet between these two. Now once you do that, then you just go to dim, take int of this and you take the intersection part of this two. So here you're going to get it as 55.47. so you just go to circle, take center of this, take the radius as 55.47, then go to break this circle here and you break this arc here, then go to erase these two, then go to copy, select this entire thing and then copy to this position, take intersection of this and take center of this line. So once you do that, then go to rotate, select this, the entire thing and then go to base point, take intersection of this and go to reference, take int of this and take intersection of these two and this will going to come and lie on this line. So once you get this and then go to break this line till here, then you select this and go to layer, make that layer as locus and take this distance as 5. So now we have the drawing and then go to break this and also you break this on this side now. So So then just go to move, select this entire thing and move appropriately and place it wherever you want. Then you just click on this ortho, then go to layer, take intersection of these two and perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then zoom in down. See here, this is the mistake what you have done. Then go to erase this line. Then go to remove this. So then just go to zoom. Then go to line, take int of this, draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. And again you take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to intersection part of this. Then go to intersection part of this and say close. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this. Then go to break this line till first point. You take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. As these two edges are visible, obviously this line is also visible. So you come down to front view. Then you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as front view hidden, and you take this distance as 15. 15, enter. So once you do that, then you just click over this and then go to layer, make that layer as axis and take that distance as 10. Now we need to change all these things. So to do that, you just go to extend this line till here, then go to break this line till here. You select this, you select this, and you select this, and you select this, and go to layer, make that layer as XY line. So once you do that, then go to zoom window. Then you just come down to DDIM, then go to modify, take primary units, make it 0 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dimensioning. So dim, and then you just come down to intersection part of this and intersection part of this. So here you are going to get a 35 and take int of this and take int of this. So you click on the ortho mode. So you're going to get it as 60 mm and then go to angular, select between these two. So you're going to get to the 45 degrees. Again angular, dim, select angular, select between these two, and here go to text. So here erase it, then go to dim, take angular, select between this line and this line, go to text, dim, select angular, select, go to dim, select angular, dim, select angular between this line and this line, go to text, give space and you just enter it. Then go to dim TED, select this and you mark this wherever you want, 45 degrees. Now we have go to text. So you type height as 3, then the rotation angle of text as 0, and you mark this as X and you take it as VP, and this has HP and this as capital Y, and this as small a, b, c, d, here a dash, here it is o, and here it is o1, sorry, here it has o1, here it has o1, and here it has o dash, here it has b dash, here it has c dash, here it has d dash, and here it has o1 dash in bracket. So once you do that, then go to zoom window. So you just come down to move, switch off the ortho mode, move, take X, you take Y, you take VP, you take HP, you take A, you take move, O, O1, B, then C, then D, then A dash, then B dash, then D dash, then O1 dash, then C dash, then O dash, then you mark this VP, then go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then you just come down to HP, and go to layer, make that layer as top view now. So once you do that, then go to copy, select O dash and copy it here. Then you take A dash and you copy this here. You take B dash and you copy this here. Then D dash. Then here it is O1 dash. Then C dash here. Now you just copy this here, O, and that O will come here, and you copy A, so that A will be here, and that A will come here. You copy B, that B will be here, and that B will come here. You copy C, that C will come here, and that will be here. And you copy D, that D will come here, and that D will come here now. Then once you do that, you just go to O1, you copy this O1 here, and that O1 will come here. Then go to DD edit. So you mark this as O1, and you mark this as O1 here. Then go to move, and you move this O1 here, and that O1 will come here. Now we then just go to D text. Here you mark this as A dash, and here it has B dash, here it has C dash, here it has D dash, here it has O1 dash, here it has O dash, and then you come down to move. So you move appropriately all these texts nearer to that particular point. Once you do that, so here you bring this O dash here down, and you bring it here. Now you just click over these things, and you change that to layer, make that as front view. Once you do that, then go to text. So here take the boundary, and you come down to formatting, go to symbol, select this symbol, and you mark this as small letter B, beta. Once you do that, then just go to move, select this and move it inside. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Zoom previous, then just come down to zoom window and take this, and this will going to be your final solution. So what we have, and what we need to do here, both will going to be the one and same. This is how we can create the drawing of square pyramid of base height 35 mm and the axis then 60 mm using the AutoCAD software. Thank you.